Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Sokarland guys. This is another promising project like core. So guys, all we'll be needing now is our username, email, password, then and a referral code. Do you understand? So I'll be leaving my referral code on this video description now. So let's get started. I'm going to put my details now. So guys, I'm done inputting my details. So when you are inputting your username, make sure that your username is more than eight characters. Like your username should be more than 8 digits. Let's say your name is Nelson. Just make sure that your name, like your username, should be more than 8 alphabet, like 8 this. I hope you understand what I mean. So I'm going to click on submit now. So guys, when you click on submit, this interface is actually going to pop up. Do you understand? It will show your username, robot, countdown time. Do you understand? So I will click on this now to start mining. Do you understand? Make sure that you see this video to the end, guys. I'll click on start mining. So automatically every 24 hours, guys, I'll come back here and click, then I'll start mining. You understand? So if you are seeing, please give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from it. Share. If you are seeing this video on TikTok, go to my TikTok profile. You see you see a YouTube icon. Click on it. It will redirect you to my YouTube channel. That is where you're actually going to see this video now. Do you understand? Then you see the link to get started with. So guys, this is another promising project like so make sure that you are mining. Just start mining, guys. So guys, if you are following core Satoshi BTC on Twitter, you must have come across this Sokarland. See, Sokarland just launched on the core blockchain. Total supply 1 million. Do you understand? So mining 0.65k an hour. Get started. So it says click here, sign up or download from Play Store. So guys, once you are done with the registration, guys, then I'll be leaving this link to get the app. Do you understand? So you need to get the app. Once you're done with the registration, then you click on this other link. I'll be leaving these two links on this video description. Do you understand? So when you click on it, you get the app. So this is all we have to do now. This is the contract address. Do you understand, guys? So you say open the link, register an account. Step 2, download the app. Step 3, select KYC, face recognition, verification, and verify your email. Step 4, 5, follow the step as showing mining 24 hours referral. So guys, all we have to do now, I'm going to click on the link and get the app on the Google Play Store. So here is the app. So we're actually going to install the app, guys. So guys, I'm done installing the app. So I have to click on open now to log in. Let's click on open. So guys, when you open the app, this interface is actually going to show up. You see face KYC. Do you understand? Countdown time. So I'm going to sign in. Remember that you need to register before you can actually get the app. So I'll be leaving the invite code on this video description. Do you understand? You'll be needing an invite code for you to be able to mine this very project, guys. So I'll click on sign in now to input my details. Remember to save your password and your email, then your username. So you'll be needing your username and your password to sign in. So guys, I'm done inputting my details. So I'm going to click on submit now. So guys, once you click on submit, you will be logged in automatically. Do you understand? So we're actually going to verify our account now. So guys, this is how to navigate through the app. Once you get the app downloaded now, you click on this interface on this Sokarland at the left hand side. You can actually see it. So when you click on it, you will see mine, team, account, wallet, presale, staking. We are not here to buy, like we're actually here to mine. Do you understand? So guys, this is it. We're actually going to verify our account now. So guys, to verify your account, you need to click on account. Do you understand? We have to, let's click on account now. I'll show you. So guys, when you click on account, this is what you're actually going to see. You see access camera, start face KYC. So we're actually going to click on face KYC. So we are also going to verify our email. Do you understand? Well, first of all, I'm going to click on start face KYC now, and then let me verify myself. Do you understand? So make sure that you see this video to the end. Try and see this video to the end. Please give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending it. And you can scroll through my channel. There are other important videos that you will benefit from. Do you understand? So I'm going to do my face KYC now. So guys, I'm done with my face verification, guys. So once you are done with your face verification, you will see that my account is verified. You can see that my email. Once you are done with your face verification, automatically your username will be verified already. Then you will see your email somewhere here now. Do you understand? Then you click on it. You click on submit below your email to verify your email. Do you understand? Because it will be showing a question sign red, like you are not that you have not verified it. So when you click on submit below your email, they will send you a verification code. Let me show you. So this is the verification mail they sent me for you to verify your email. Do you understand? So once you copy it, you just paste it there, then click on submit again. Automatically they will verify your email. So guys, that is just it. So let's go back to the app again. Let's go back to mine. So I'll be leaving my referral code on this video description. I'll also be leaving my Telegram channel, the link. I'll be leaving the link to get to, for you to reach me now. You can actually reach me on Telegram. So I'll be leaving my Telegram link. So when you click on it, you subscribe to my channel, then you go to the channel description. You will see my username there for you to reach me. When you click on it, to send me a message, I'm going to respond. So guys, that will be all for now. So we'll be every 24 hours you come back here and claim. Guys, this project is launched on Core. Do you understand? On Core blockchain, guys. The next video I'm going to do is on how to withdraw, guys. So keep mining, accumulate now, accumulate, guys, accumulate. If you are seeing this video on TikTok, go to my TikTok profile. You will see a YouTube icon there. Click on it. It will redirect you to my YouTube channel, guys. So if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, guys, subscribe. So that will be all for now. See you soon. Thanks for watching.